Welcome to my review of TomoCredit, a platform that's designed to help people build their credit score without the typical hassles associated with traditional credit cards. If you've been struggling to build credit or just want to improve your score, TomoCredit could be a game changer. When you first sign up, one of the things that sets TomoCredit apart is that it doesn't require a credit score check, a security deposit, or even a traditional credit check. This makes it an ideal choice for people who are new to credit or have a limited credit history. The process is pretty simple and quick. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, and the next step is verifying your identity. After you're approved, you get access to the TomoCredit card. This is where the magic happens. The card is a Visa card, which means it's accepted almost everywhere. The best part is that TomoCredit uses your payment history and spending behavior to build your credit score. No deposit or high fees are required. Just a straightforward way to prove you're responsible with your spending. One of the things I really like about TomoCredit is the fact that there are no hidden fees or annual fees. You don't have to worry about high interest rates either, which is typical with many other credit building options. Instead, TomoCredit makes it easy for you to manage your account through their simple-to-use app, where you can track your spending, make payments, and monitor your credit score progress in real-time. In terms of payment flexibility, TomoCredit offers a really cool feature. The app allows you to pay your balance in full or over time with no pressure. This flexibility really helps if you're looking to build credit without the risk of accruing high-interest debt. Plus, as you use the card and make timely payments, your credit score will improve over time. Another key thing to note is that TomoCredit reports your payments to the major credit bureaus, which is crucial for building a solid credit history. This transparency helps you establish a strong credit profile and shows lenders that you're financially responsible. It's a great option for anyone looking to improve or establish credit without the typical obstacles. From my experience, the TomoCredit card has been incredibly easy to use, and I've seen noticeable improvements in my credit score since I started using it. It's a great option for anyone who might not qualify for traditional credit cards, or for those who want a straightforward way to boost their credit without dealing with a complicated process. So, if you're looking for a simple, no-hassle way to build or improve your credit, I highly recommend giving TomoCredit a try. It's perfect for beginners, or anyone looking for a more accessible credit building tool. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and insights on financial products and services. Thanks for watching.